Okay, so now kita tengok subject matter. The study of environmental economics may constitute or encompass um, several apa ni factors lah, several things. First of all, it is environmental impacts on economic activities, of economic activities. So dengan berlakunya this industrial human activities, it might actually give impact to the environment, and usually it will give a negative impact to the environment, because of the negative externalities. And then welfare economics, so for welfare economics, it applies microeconomics, to assess and suggest improvement to the well-being of the society at large, which means that in order to have a sustainable economics, which means we have to take into account ataupun we have to take care the environment as well. So itu yang akan menjadikan welfare of economics. So which means that we have to take into consideration the social benefits and also losses. And then we need to know how to address the problem of market failure, externalities, public goods, scarce resources, and so on. And the third factors would be standards and economic instruments lah. So in order to give solution to the environmental problem, standards or environmental regulations should be developed, as a guidelines, in order for society to follow. Okay, sebab kalau tak ada guidelines, kalau tak ada regulation, people will make everything that they desire, in order to gain profit. They will do anything to cut costs, but to maximize profit. So that's why we need regulation and also guidelines to people that will try to reduce harm to the environment. Okay, and then it should have standard. For example, what technology that they need to have in order to reduce the pollution. Encourage society to reduce adverse environmental impacts from the economic activities. Apa kita kata, to introduce tax pollution, environmental tax on pollution, and then pollution control subsidy, and so on. So that is the subject matter of the environmental economics. Okay, so in terms of resources, resources kita boleh ada beberapa resources lah. Ada dua lah, saya kata, boleh kata dua. Secara spesifiknya ada dua resources. Resources ini sama ada renewable ataupun non-renewable. What is renewable resources? It is a natural resources that we can renew, that can be renewed or replenished naturally. For example, air, wind, water, sunlight, farm animal, forest plants. So it is renewable. Okay. Maksudnya kalau dia kalau macam mana kita nak tahu dia boleh renewable ataupun tidak, sekiranya renewal tu, rate of renewal itu melebihi daripada rate of depletion. Maksudnya rate of untuk kita renew itu lebih daripada yang terhapus, dan kita kata it is renewable resources. So renewable resources ni dia boleh create renewable energy. Contohnya solar power daripada sun, kan? And then hydroelectric power, biomass, and so on. That is actually kita panggil sebagai apa? Contohnya residue of palm oil and wood mills. Boleh memberikan tenaga lain. Jadi kita tak perlu buang dan harm the environment, dan kita boleh gunakan untuk menghasilkan energy and so on. Okay, so what about non-renewable resources? Non-renewable resources, natural resources that are either cannot be reproduced once used, or that are consumed much faster than the nature can create them. Maksudnya dekat sini, sama ada kita kata non-renewable resources ni sama ada dia memang tak boleh renew langsung. Maksudnya kita guna resources itu dia terus akan habis, ataupun resources ini boleh renew tetapi manusia dah menggunakan dia terlampau banyak sehingga tak boleh nak tunggu yang baru ni muncul. Macam tu. Ya. Contoh macam petroleum. Kita menggunakan banyak. Kita cari gali petroleum. Tapi kita tak mampu, kita tak boleh nak ada simpanan petroleum itu. Jadi dia akan habis satu hari nanti. Ya. Coal, arang, uranium and so on. So that is the non-renewable resources. Okay, so next kita akan tengok circular flow model.